Your iPhone 17 might come in English by default, but Apple gives you full control over the languages your device uses, perfect if you're multilingual or prefer navigating your phone in another language. Whether you want to add a new one, rearrange your list, or remove what you don't use, it only takes a few taps. Here's how to customize your preferred languages in iOS 26. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Language and Region. This page shows all your preferred languages and related regional settings. To add a new language, tap Add Language. A list of available languages will appear. Find and tap the one you'd like to use. When prompted, choose whether to make it your primary language right away or keep it as secondary. Your iPhone will then update the language settings and add your new language to the list. To reorder your preferred languages, look for the 3 short lines beside each language. Tap and hold the lines, then drag and drop the language into your preferred position. Please note that applying this setting will restart your iPhone. Alternatively, you can tap Edit in the upper right corner to rearrange them more easily. The language at the top of the list becomes your system's priority. To delete a language, tap the minus sign beside it, then confirm by tapping Delete. This immediately removes the language from your preferred list. When you're finished making changes, tap the blue check mark at the top right corner to save and apply your updates. And that's it! You've now customized your iPhone's preferred language setup. Perfect if you switch between languages or share your device with others. If this video helped you personalize your iPhone 17, give it a like, and check out our other tutorials to discover more ways to get the most from your device. Thanks for watching.